Alright, we're going to do this drawing right here, This is going out to Trey and treyLog. Let's do treyLog in this video for this video here. We're going to draw this right here, and we're going to keep it simple. So I'm going to activate the line tool first. So in this video, to navigate around the screen, you just roll your mouse wheel in and out, and you press the mouse wheel button down to go left and right. So really, the only tool we're going to use here is trim and line, but we're not really going to use trim, so we're just going to use the line tool. So I'm going to press L to activate line. I'm going to click on this, and then first I'm going to make sure that I click on this little circle at the angle. I'm going to click on that and make sure that I have 30, 60, 90, 120, and then I'm going to tell you how to use that. So the first line we're going to draw, we're going to try to focus on one face at a time in this drawing. So I'm going to do this rather quick so you guys can slow the video down or hit pause because I don't have much time to make this video. So I'm going to start my line right here, and I'm just going to make sure I snap it in when this angle says 30 degrees. I'm going to type 59 and press enter. And now the next, I just drew this line right here. Now I'm going to go up 19, and I'm going to come back over 59 and down 19. So I'm going to draw over this stuff down here, so let's get rid of this. Alright, now I'm going to go up 19, so make sure you're locked into 90 degrees like that. Type 19 and press enter. Now I'm going to come back this way, make sure it snaps in like this at 210. It'll say right there where it says polar 210, so I'm going to do 59 again, and now I'm just going to draw a line straight down. So I did this face, I'm going to go over and do this face now. So this distance right here is, it doesn't say exactly what the length is, so you kind of have to find it. I know that you do have this information right here, which is 15, this to here is 59, and this to here is 45, so we'll just do it like this in segments. I'll do 15 first, make sure that this line is snapped in at 150 degrees right there, so I'm going to do 15, enter, 59, enter, and then 45, enter. And now I can zoom out here. And it looks like my lines are crooked, so this is a good time to say make sure that you snap in no matter what. So this is 155. If you click on a line, you hover over one of these blue squares, which is called a grip. It'll tell you what angle and the length of the line, so I need to delete that. It's all wrong. I'm going to make sure that I lock in and stay locked in at that right angle right there. So I did the 15 correctly. I need to do 59 again, and now it looks so good. It's at 35, it looks like, so I'm going to make sure that this is snapped in and locked in at 150, and this is going to be 45. Alright, now I'm going to go up. It looks like the height is 41.5. Make sure my mouse is locked in at 90 degrees. 41.5, enter. And now, I don't know the length of this line, but this is 45, and if this is 22, 22 subtract from 45 is 23. So I'm going to lock in down at this angle, which is 330, or your mouse might say 30, so this is going to be 23, and now I'm going to go up, and I don't know what the overall height is. So I'm just going to leave that there for now. I can do some math, but I don't want to. What I'm going to do now is 15 to 15 here. Make sure you snap in at 150. So there we go. Now I'm going to rather than drawing these lines again, I'm going to copy it. So I'm just going to left click on this line, right click, choose copy selection. I'm going to grab it on the very end of the line where there's a green square. It's a snapping grip, so now it's going to want to snap in at the end from that point, and I can go ahead and click the mouse and then press escape to get out of copying. Now I can press L and enter to activate the line tool, and you guys can press pause at any point to come back to the video. So I'm going to go back to this line over here, and it looks like I need to go up 38. So I'm going to go ahead and lock in on 90 degrees with my mouse and type 38, press enter, and it looks like this is 25 here, so I'm going to snap in at 150 or 210, so it's going to say 25 and press enter. Now I'm just going to connect the line right here, and the gap that I need to bridge this way, we already said from drawing the bottom, is 59, so I want to make sure it's locked in at 150 degrees, type 59 and press enter, and then rather than drawing this angled line again to figuring out what that is, I'm just going to left click on this, right click, choose copy selection, grab it from the bottom green square, and then snap it into the end of the line there. I'm going to press L for enter to activate the line tool, snap in with the green grip there, and snap in over here. And now what I can do is the rest of this drawing right here is 59 and 22 from here to there. So what I'm going to do is activate the line tool, click on this line, make sure I'm locked in at 150 degrees, type 59, press enter, and I'm going to make sure I go ahead and move my mouse again and lock in at 150 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and enter that 22, and now I know the whole length of this side is 59, so I'm going to lock in, make sure it's 150 or 210, and type 59. And now I can just come down and click on this line right here, and then I need to go back up to this line right here, and now I know the length of this line is 22. I'm just going to make sure it's snapped in at 330, or it says 30 degrees, and it's 22, enter, and now I can just connect this line right here. Press escape. I can use the line tool to snap in from here to here, so L, enter, snap this drawing in from here to here. Press escape to get out of the line tool, and now rather than drawing this again, I'm just going to go ahead, left click on this, right click, and copy it from the bottom left hand side to this point right here where it snaps in, and then I can do the same with this. Left click on this line, right click, copy selection from the top left end, paste it there, and now we're going to press escape, and I'm going to press TR, and you're going to see a trim tool activated. Just click on that and click and drag your mouse right through that line. It trims it away, and that is the isometric drawing for drawing number 1.